We now go live to a presidential report on President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi's inspection tour of the construction works of the Pyramids Station project in Giza Governorate. Of course, this is part of the first phase of the Cairo Metro line. Of course, upon his arrival, the president was received by several officials, including the Deputy Prime Minister for Industrial Development, as well Mr. Kamel El-Wazir, as well as Minister of Transport, Dr. Ahmed El-Ansari, and the governor, of course, of Giza Governorate. Of course, the president directed the need to continue with the projects after inspecting the station. We go now live. President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi conducted an inspection tour for the construction work of Al-Ahramat, or Pyramids, a subway station in Giza, in the first phase of line number 4 of the subway. He was received upon arrival in the location, or in the site of the project, Dr. Mustafa Madbouli, the Prime Minister, and Marshal Engineer Kamel El-Wazir, the Minister of Transportation, and Dr. Ahmed El-Ansari, the Governor of Giza Governorate, in the attendance of Mrs. Fong Yu, the Ambassador of Japan in Cairo, and Mr. Ibisawa Yu, the representative of JICA, the Japanese cooperation entity in Egypt, and the representative of the Egyptian companies implementing the project. The authority is responsible for implementing a network of sustainable green transportation consisting of 5 subway lines and a monorail in the east and the west of the Nile, and LRT, and the network of the express LRT. 3 lines, and in Alexandria we are implementing the project of Alexandria subway and the 4th term. As for the 4th line of the subway, after the completion of the 4 stages, it will have a length of 101 kilometers, including 56 stations. Its importance is represented in serving the tourism sector, because it passes through many landmarks like the Grand Egyptian Museum, pyramids, Babylon Fortress, Salah ad-Din Citadel. It also links the new urban cities to the LRT. It also links the city of 6th of October and the Gardens of October to New Cairo, Al-Shuruq City, and Badr City. It will also extend later on to the new administrative capital. The first phase of line number 4, as we are now in a Pyramid Station, or Al-Ahramat Station. The first phase extends to be 19 kilometers for 17 stations, divided into a western part of 12 stations implemented by 4 Egyptian companies, Arab constructors Petrojet, Concord, and Hassan Allam companies, and the eastern part with a length of 5 kilometers and a number of 5 stations implemented by Erascom company. As for the electromechanic work, it's implemented by Mitsubishi Erascom Alliance, and the mobile units will be implemented by Mitsubishi company, as it will supply 23 trains, and it's expected that the first train will be provided in May 2026. These are some of the photos of line number 4, as it will be equipped by screen doors, and this is the inside scene of the tickets hall. As for the wall and the decoration, we have coordinated with the Supreme Council of Antiquities to choose the elements to be presented in the walls of the stations. The excavation work is done by bombing water and bentonite liquid, in addition to bombing or compressing air, so we can balance the pressure of the cutter head and increase the face pressure. As for the excavation machines, today we had the first machine, which is a Concord machine. It has finished its work, actually. Ambassador Mohammed Al-Shanawi, the official speaker or the spokesperson, added that after inspecting the machine and after pressing the turn on button in order to give them permission to continue the work, His Excellency saw the work of the digging machine when it was finalizing the last excavation work in the last two stations. His Excellency the President also listened to an explanation from His Excellency Kamil Wazir, the Minister of Transportation. He explained the phases of implementation in installing concrete, installing steel, and the connection of electric grids. The machines are moving, as you can see, in a central way from the control room that you visited, and you saw people working there. All the workers working on this machine are Egyptians, 6 Egyptian people. We have sought the aid of the workers from the company in order to explain to us how to operate the machine, but later on the Egyptians are the ones who are operating the machine.